This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's November 3rd, 2020. This one here I got a call for a toilet, not flushing. Says the handle mechanism comes up to the top of the tank, but it doesn't seem to be hooked up, so maybe the chain broke or something. I'm going over there to see if I can find out what's going on. Well, it might be one of those fancy toilets. Sometimes the handle's right in the middle of the tank cover. That's what she had said, so we'll see when we get there. We get it going for the lady. For a different toilet. That one's ripped in the back there. It's a cooler. See if I can get this one to fit. Maybe this one will fit, I'm not sure. You can see the way that thing is right up against the edge there. This is a one-piece toilet. It'd be hard to change that flush valve, so I'm just going to put a piece of stainless wire in there. It'd be a major job to change this toilet out. That should work. I couldn't get this behind, and I don't want to take that flush valve out. That stainless wire, that shouldn't rot. That should be fine. I got this stainless wire, someone sent it to me. What is it? You want pets? Yeah, you love pets. You love being petted. Let me get her a slip.